Hey, yo, what's good, everybody? Hey, yo, it's your boy coming straight out of Atlanta, Georgia. You know, governor issued a state of emergency the other day. Said we're supposed to get up 3 inches of snow last night. So, hey, you know, brother ain't had no snow in a minute. So, yeah, man, I'm about to get out here and get these inches. We gotta get suited and booted, though, you know. Can't play with it. Put my shit on backwards. But yeah, you know, last time folks got stranded on the highway and everything, bruh. So yeah, you know, niggas snowed in now. Might as well get out here and play in it, you know what I'm saying? Put my shit on. Might build an old snowman or something. Yeah. Get right, bruh. Oh, man. Right. Gotta throw the boots on. Cause we walking around in the snow without your boots on. Man, it's about to go down. Yeah. There it is. There. Gloves on. Man, I already know. Last time it was ridiculous, bro. It was ridiculous. Hey, if anybody else out there, you know, ATL, like, yo, let's get together later, play some, you know what I'm saying, snowball in here and have a snowball fight and stuff, or ice bowl, you know, play a little football. I mean, I'm with all that, bruh. Can't get my shit on. There we go. Hey. Can't let Jack Frost get me. He ain't nipping at my nose, not today. Put the gloves off for a minute. Yeah, I gotta keep the ears warm, bruh. That. Throw that on right there. Who ready for the snow? Yo, I'm like a little kid on a Christmas Story, you know? I don't play with it. Y'all ready, bruh? Yo, let's do this. Can't wait. Let's go, man. Snow time. Yo, what the fuck, bro? Yo, what about the motherfucking snow? What the hell? Bruh. He said 3 inches, bro. Wait a minute. Something up. Where's the snow at? Damn. Hell nah. Yo, I'm out here looking like I'm about to rob Santa Claus and shit. Ain't no snow. I done bought up like $100 worth of groceries, bruh. Stuff I don't even need. You know what? Fuck the weatherman. Atlanta, this some bullshit. I'm glad I kept my receipt. I bet you I'm taking half of that shit back.